Welcome guys. Today I will show you how to record the screen on POCO F8 Ultra. So, swipe down from top of your screen and open the Tools menu. Here, tap on the Edit icon, scroll down more and find Screen Recorder tool. Tap on the plus and then on this button to save changes. Now you can use Screen Recorder tool. Simply tap on it. As you can see, here appears floating menu. So, to start the process, use this red circle. As you can see, video is recording now. You can do what you need, what you want to record. To stop recording and save your video, tap to activate the button and tap on the stop key. Now you can find the video in folder in your system. Tap on it. Or you also can find it by using your notification menu. But if you want to do it faster, just tap on this icon as I showed you before. Also, you have here settings of screen recorder. You can change here resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, etc. To close screen recorder, simply tap on this X icon. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.